Today, let us see one problem from circle topic. Let us see the problem. What is the problem there? Two circles are touching externally. Centers P and Q are there. And BD is diameter in the circle with center Q. T is the point of contact there. And AB, that is common tangent there. See that, what is the question there? Show that ATD are collinear. This is your problem. So, what is that? We have to show that ATD are collinear. So, let us see, what about this BT and AT? If we join AT and BT, that is your construction. Join AT and BT. And let us try to find out the measure of angle ADB. So for that, to find out measure of angle ATB, extra construction is necessary there. And if we use that common tangent, what is that? T is common point, touching circles are there. And if we draw the common tangent there, common tangent, and suppose it is intersecting the common tangent AB, the point of intersection, let it be N. Now let us find out what is the measure of angle ADB. See that, what is the construction there? After AT and BT, we draw common tangent through T. Through T. T, common tangent, and intersecting at point N. Now, NA and NT are the tangents to the same circle. They are definitely equal. We know that theorem. So we can start with that NA. We know that NA is equal to NT. Reason, tangent segments are equal. By tangent segment theorem. Definitely NAT is isosceles triangle, and in that triangle, angle NAT must be equal to angle NTA. Let it be equal to X. Two angles are equal. Reason, two sides are equal. So we are taking the measure of angle like this. We are using this X there. Remember this point. Similarly, in this triangle NBT, remember that same property. NB and NT are tangent segments to the same circle. So definitely NBT is again isosceles triangle. And in that triangle, we know that the measure of this angle, if it is Y, here it will be Y. Because again it is isosceles triangle. So let us complete this isosceles triangle. Triangle NAT. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So two angles are equal. Now NB is equal to NT. What is that reason there? Tangent segment theorem. And in that triangle NBT, we can use that two sides are equal, two angles are equal. So therefore, what is the name of angle? NYB and NBT. So we can start with NBT is equal to NTB. NTB equal to, let us use that, it is equal to what? Reason. It is isosceles triangle. NBT is an isosceles triangle. It is isosceles triangle. Now, consider triangle ABT. In triangle ABT, in triangle ABT, sum of all angles. Consider in triangle ABT. What is the measure of this angle? In triangle ABT, what is the measure of angle A? It is X. Angle B, it is Y. And angle ABT, remaining angle ATB, it is definitely X plus Y. So let us calculate the value of X plus Y. In triangle ABT, what is the sum? Sum of all angles is 180. In triangle ABT, angle A plus angle B plus angle ATB. Angle ATB is equal to definitely 180. Now you can substitute the value of NAT. NAT is X. You can use here X. What about that angle B? It is NBT. So it is Y. So we can add angle X, angle Y, and you see that what is the measure of angle ATB? It is definitely X plus Y. You can see that the total is 180. And from this, what is the replacement there? By using the values 2, 4. From 2, 4. We are substituting values there. And if we calculate further, we are getting the value of 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. So x plus y is 180. X plus y is 90. Twice x plus twice y is equal to 180. So definitely, what is the next important result we are finding there? It is x plus y is equal to 90. And you can use that x plus y is ATB. So definitely angle ATB is 90. This is proved. Angle ATB is 90 proved. Now we are going to prove that ATD are collinear. For that we have to see that measure of angle BTD. We have to find out measure of angle BTD. How to find out measure of angle BTD? We have to think about the BD. What is BD there? BD is diameter. And it is BTD angle inscribed in the semicircle. We know that angle inscribed in the semicircle is right angle. So definitely about angle BTD, now we can write angle BTD is equal to 90. Reason? What is that? Angle inscribed in semicircle. Angle inscribed in semicircle. It is 90. BTD is 90. This is by theorem. After that, if you add fifth and sixth together, what is the fifth angle? ATB, and sixth angle BTD. If we add them, you can see that very interesting. What is that? Therefore, angle ATB plus angle BTD. If we add 90 plus 90, it is 180. We are getting from fifth and sixth. The sum of two adjacent angles, ATB and BTD, are adjacent angles, and their total is 180. So definitely you can see that uncommon sides TA and TD, they are, what is that? Forming a line, opposite rays. TA and TD are opposite rays. So what is the meaning there? ATD are collinear. We are coming to the point. So this is linear pair. We can use that, but it is a linear pair. Or we can say that, therefore, angle ATB and angle BTD is a linear pair. Reason, their total is 180. So if we use this number 7, we can use that from 7. It is a linear pair. And after that, when it is linear pair, you can straightway write, you can draw the conclusion. Therefore, ATD are collinear points. And it is the problem here. Very interesting problem. You can see that we are proving that angle ATB 90, angle BTD 90, their total is 180. So points ATD are collinear. Very interesting problem for you. Try to revise this problem again and again. Okay.